Good evening, everyone. I am Sheena Soy Baguio, and today I'll be discussing millennials as digital natives and their search for community, as well as the broader social implications of their heavy use of digital media. This generation's relationship with technology is fascinating and complex, and it provides valuable insights into how society is evolving in the digital age. So let's start by defining who millennials are. So this generation cohorts includes individuals born roughly between 1981 to 1996, which means they are currently in their late 20s to early 40s. And what sets millennials apart is that they are the first generation of digital natives. Unlike older generations, they didn't need to adapt to digital media. Instead, they grew up with it. So, a Pew report on millennials and digital media says that they are digital natives, the only generation for which these new technologies are not something they adapt to. Because of this, millennials are prolific users of digital platforms. For instances, 81% of millennials are on Facebook, with a median friend count of 250 Facebook friends. This is significantly higher than the older generation, and they are also known for placing themselves at the center of self-created digital networks. A key example is selfies. Over 55% of millennials have posted selfies on social media. This is a behavior that showcases their desire for self-expression in the digital realm. But what does this reliance on digital connection says about the real-world social lives? So while millennials have more virtual friends than any other generation, many of these connections are shallow. A study found that while some millennials have hundreds of Facebook friends, only a handful are people that they know personally. So this raises a deeper question. Are millennials using digital media to escape the alienation they feel in real life? So sociologists suggest that this might be a reaction to societal changes. Traditional community structures like local neighborhoods, extended families, or even workplaces have weakened over time. As a result, millennials turn to online platforms to create their own sense of community. So, a key concept here is digital togetherness. According to Jojo Roy in Media Post Engage Millennials, over 80% of millennials express a desire for digital platforms like games or social networks to foster more face-to-face relationships. So this highlights a paradox. Millennials are immersed in digital life, but they still crave real world interactions. So let's now look at the potential downsides of this digital immersion. One concern is the impact of excessive screen time. A study by the Alberta Brain and Cognitive Development Lab found that young people learn best through face-to-face interactions. And when too much time is spent on screens, they can hinder social and cognitive development. Another problem is the difficulty some millennials face in navigating real life conversations. For example, some companies now provide training programs to help millennials improve their face-to-face communication skills. This is a skill that previous generation may have taken for granted. And this brings us to a global example, the hikikomori in Japan. So, to further understand the potential consequences of over-reliance on social media, let's look at Japan's hikikomori phenomenon. This term describes young people, mostly males, who withdraw entirely from society, avoiding face to face interactions for 6 months or longer. So, psychiatrists in Japan believe that this behavior is linked to excessive reliance on technology and social media. This individual often spend their time playing video games, surfing the internet on or consuming digital content. By 2016, it was estimated that 1.2 million Japanese men in their teens and 20s suffered from hikikomori, making it a significant social issue. Although this phenomenon is tied to Japan specifically because of cultural pressures such as academic stress or a conformist society, it raises important questions that could this similar pattern emerge in other countries where youth are increasingly immersed in digital media. So, in conclusion, millennials are uniquely positioned as the first generation of digital natives, growing in a world where technology has always been a central part of their lives. This intimate relationship with digital media has allowed them to create virtual networks, express themselves, and redefine how communities are formed. However, this heavy reliance on technology always presents challenges. While millennials have unprecedented access to information and social platforms, the depth of their connection often suffers, leading to feelings of isolation and alienation. So furthermore, the overuse of digital devices can hinder face-to-face interactions, weaken cognitive and social development, and even contribute to societal issues as seen in the hikikomori phenomenon in Japan. Yet, millennials demonstrate an awareness of these problems, with many expressing a desire to bridge the gap between digital and physical connections. So, as we move forward, it is essential to address these challenges not just for millennials but for all generations increasingly immersed in the digital world. By encouraging a balance between online and offline interactions and fostering genuine human connections, we can ensure that technology enriches our lives without compromising our social and emotional well being. Thank you for listening.